Doctors have advised that I have an early Morton's neuroma in my left foot. I can't walk properly and the pain keeps getting worse. What can I do? Well, for me, what I find with this neuroma and the position of where it is in the foot is generally connected to difficulty expressing your intuition. Yeah. So we need to look at, and generally it's because there's something deep in the soul, there's a trauma deep in the soul which has created this. So what we need to look at is, okay, what's the trauma in the soul to be able to release that so we can open you up to expressing your intuition with ease and grace, and also remove the issue that's in the left foot. So for me, the main guidance for you would be to connect in yourself and be like, okay, what's the trauma in my soul that I need to deal with, which is shut me down from fully expressing my intuition. And I invite you to look at some hands-on healing work or some soul work with someone like myself who can support you with this. On a physical level, I'd invite you to look at going and getting some acupuncture or even some electronic therapy on the foot, on the area. So we can move the blocked energy that's in there through and out of the foot. I would also look at doing some ear candling as well, ear candling. And the reason is because that position on the foot is directly correlated with the ears. So if you get some ear candling and post the ear candling, we want to put 5 to 10 drops of Claudius silver in the ear. So we're cleaning out the whole ears, the ear canal and the middle ear, which is going to support to move and shift the energy that's in that foot as well. And last but not least, I'd invite you to have a salt magnesium bath. So in warm water, have warm water, salt, magnesium, put your feet in it for 20 minutes. And optimally, you'd want the temperature around 39 degrees for that to have the most optimal results. If you'd like to come along to work with me so I can support you to fast track this and move through this, please feel open to go to www.uniquecommunity.com.au. Click on experiences and check out the different experiences we have, such as retreats, one-on-one intensives, courses, which can support you, and I can support you with this, and even support you to develop your understanding of the body on a deeper level, so you can help yourself and help others on a more optimum at a higher frequency and vibration. Anyhow, I'm excited to hear back from you once you follow this guidance, and let me know of the great results that you've received, of the movement of what's happening in your foot being gone. And until then, please take care, and I look forward to seeing you and chatting with you soon. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, however I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.